Hello, and today we are looking at the PPC TUI Airways Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Now before we look at this nice little simple die-cast metal model, let's have a first look at its box. See, it comes packaged in this nice little presentation box here, with a nice big viewing window so you can see the model inside when it's in there. Of course, it's got TUI logo on the bottom and on the front, as well as on the back. We have a nice image of the plane here. It's very nice, as you can see. And you can also see it has warning that this model is for ages 3 and over. See, not suitable for children under 3 years. Let's put this back to the back and have a look at the actual model itself. And as you can see, it comes attached to this piece of card, held down by just these little twisty things. You just undo, you get a nice little simple die-cast metal model of a TUI Airways Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Now let's look at some of the details of this plane. Let's start with the wings. We can see the flaps and ailerons on this plane, and you can see that on both of the wings, as well as the raked wingtips of a 787. You can see we also have 2 jet engines, one on both sides, with them saying TUI on them. You can see the turbines on the inside there, and there as well. And on the back of them, you can see the serrated chevrons, which is for a noise reducing effect on the engines, so they're not as loud. Of course, let's move to the tail of the plane. And on the stabilizers, you can see the rudder and elevators on the horizontal and vertical stabilizer. And also here, you can see a nice big TUI logo as well. And of course, if we look nicely here, you can see it says Boeing 787-8, the model of this plane. Now if we move to the underside of the plane, again you can see we have some very simple landing gear, just these very simple metal wheels. But these wheels do roll, as you can see. Very simple little rolling wheels. Great little bit of fun for it. As well as the model, once again, written underneath, the Boeing 787-8. Now if we move back to the front, you can see the cockpit and the 4-window setup of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Have a quick look at it from this side. Looking very nice as well. And as you can see, it has the current TUI livery, which is called the Dynamic Wave livery, and it was introduced back in 2012 and is still in use to this day. You can see we've got the nice dark, like blue or black here, with a nice blue, followed by white underneath. Again, that is the same on both sides. Of course, we've got TUI written here, and the logo on the back, which again, same on both sides, looking really nice. Now let's have a little bit about the actual plane itself, the Boeing 787. So the Boeing 787, also known as the Dreamliner, is a long-haul, wide-body, twin-jet airliner. And this, of course, is a Boeing 787-8, which is the base variant of this airline, which means it's the one that all other variants are based off. Now, the Boeing 787 began production back in 2007, with it first flying in late 2009, before entering full service in 2011, and remains in production and service to this day. It's quite a nice little iconic plane. And it was the first airliner made primarily of lightweight composite materials. So this aircraft was the first of its kind, being made of lightweight materials, lightweight composite materials, So it's really nice, and it was competing with the Airbus A350 and A330 Neo. Now this is the 787. This is the latest mainline aircraft, which is not a variant of a different airline. Of course, this is the 787. There is no 797. It is the latest aircraft there is that isn't a variant, such as like a 737 MAX. It is a newer airline, but it is not. That is a variant of an original 737. Now, let's have a quick look at the actual size of this model. It has a length of about 12.7 centimeters or 5 inches, a wingspan of about 13.9 centimeters or 5.5 inches, and a height of about 4.4 centimeters or 1.7 inches. Overall, it's a really nice little simple, detailed die-cast metal model. Again, pointing out some of the details like the windows, the wingtips, the chevrons on the engines. A really nice printing here across it all with the Dynamic Wave TUI livery. So overall, it's a nice little gift for anyone who is a fan of aviation, who may have flown on this plane. Maybe they worked on a plane like this, such as like the 787 or a TUI plane. Or maybe you'll be flying one this year on a holiday. So overall, it's a really nice little model, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.